YouTube, Instagram, Likey, and Facebook. So, hi guys, what's up? How are you? Hi, what's up? Hello everyone, what's up? How are you guys doing? Facebook, I haven't been live since a long time, but now I'm happy I'm live. Okay, so what's up, guys? How are you? Hi. Okay, so hi guys, what's up? A very happy Sunday to all of you, and I hope you guys are doing great. And happy Janta curfew as well. I hope nobody is going out, and everybody is just staying at home because it's very necessary because of the coronavirus that's going on. So I'm happy. I'm pretty much happy. Like a lot of people were asking me that how you're doing, but I'm actually doing really great. I'm actually really happy because I am spending time with my mom and dad, spending time with Sindra, and I'm exercising at home. I'm watching movies and studying also sometimes because my last exam has got postponed. But it's okay. So I'm studying also sometime, and then I listen to music. I'm starting to read books, and I'm also thinking about learning a new language. So it's pretty cool because I don't think we'll ever actually get this time. So while you have this time, just make sure that you utilize this time, and please don't meet anyone right now, even if they're like your closest friends. Like me, I can't meet my friends or anybody because social distancing is important. It's not because of the corona. It's not like ऐसे करना कि किसी पे शक करना or doubting somebody. It's just because you have to just stay aware and just keep yourself safe first, and then maza to we can do afterwards also. So yeah. Woo. Hi YouTube, what's up? So I'm gonna reply to YouTube comments, some of them first. Hi, hello, hi, what's up? How are you? Hi, hello, hi, what's up? So even Facebook guys are watching. So hi Facebook, what's up? I've never been live on Facebook like since a long time. And Likey also. Hi Likey people. How are you? So all my fan pages. Today I was talking to my fan pages and groups, and I had a great time talking to you all. Hey, hi Anushka and Sanya. Hi Anushka Aspire. Wouldn't be hard for you to reply to everyone. No, it's okay. I'll just try my best to reply everyone. It's gonna be a little task, but it's so much fun, going live everywhere. It's just so much fun. I've never done this before, and it's super interesting. Hi Asmita. Hi, what's up? Hi Asmita. Hi, I missed it. Hey, say incredible. So I'm gonna play music as well. I'll teach you French. Teach me French, dude. But online, like you have to teach me French online. Yeah, I remember you. Obviously, I remember all my fans. Hi. आपको लाइव स्ट्रीम ने चारों तरफ से घेर लिया है. That's true though. So, if you don't wanna see me dancing with somebody, bonjour. Your recents, thank you Glossy, thank you Angelic Anushka, thank you. Take care of yourself guys. Don't show up, don't come out, don't start caring about me no more. Walk away, you know how. Don't start caring about me now. Aren't you the guy who... Today one of our Anushkins reached 10k. She can't join. Can you wish? Happy 10k, Sophia. I'm so proud of you. I said 10k and we reached 10k viewers. That's so funny. So, even though I think y'all know about the corona thing going on and what to do, but still I'll try to help you guys out, whatever I think is necessary to say. So, because the coronavirus is going on, firstly, social distancing. Please don't meet anybody. Don't go out. So, that's very important. Secondly, like, see, Keisha is saying FaceTime aaj. So, FaceTime your best friends and your relatives and everybody. And if you have to go out, don't forget to. So, I'm going to show you what all I have for coronavirus. See, sanitizer. So, why we have these big sanitizers is because whenever, like now, because there's nobody allowed in our building, like all the maids and the doodh wala milkman and anybody, like the courier guy also has to come downstairs, and they're not allowed to come up because they don't want any kind of interaction between any people. So even if there's some people coming inside, so we just keep this there, so that once you come in, the first thing you do is just take sanitizer and clean your hands. So yeah, sanitizer is very important. I'm gonna go give it back. Secondly, mask. If you have to go outside, like no matter what, like I'm sure you for buying stuff, and if your ration is over, if your ghar ka cheese is over, so you have to go out. Like not you or your family members or anybody. So please don't forget to wear a face mask. It does not look that good. Like the first day I had to wear face mask, I was in the airport. I was like, why I have to wear this face mask? I don't like it. But then, even if you don't like it, you have to wear the mask, because guys, this is a serious thing, you know. And I have a lot of masks. Like this is one of them. This is mine. There's a blue one. There's N95. There's, I don't know how many masks we have. So yeah, it's necessary if you wanna go out. So face mask. So yeah, that very necessary. And my dad, thanks to my dad, he got everything like at once, and like my chocolates and my food, and you know, our food, ghar ka khana and everything, he got it at once, so we don't have to go out. I don't think 1 week we have to go out, because we have everything. The only milkman has to come downstairs. I think he'll give milk, and we have to just, even newspapers are not gonna come now. So whatever news, just online we have to read. But that, I think that's good. I think I thank my building for doing this stuff. They have banned the garden, that you can't go downstairs. So my exercises, I usually go down and do my exercise and stuff, but now I can't, so I have to just stay upstairs and do my exercise. But that's alright, man. I think I can do it. I have my skipping rope. I skip sometimes, and I think exercises, some stretches and stuff. So that's all. I anyways don't go to the gym. So. In my city, almost masks are finished. People are using handmaids. Yeah, that is a very serious problem. Hi Sakina, how are you? That's really good. Helps maintain social distance. Yeah, it is. It's good for safety. That's what I'm saying. Even my exams that got postponed, that's for a good reason. Hi Purvi, how are you? You were going to Bali, right? Hi, Glossy. I love your edits. I love everybody's edits today. When I was, seeing the groups, all the edits are so good. Anushka, let's buy your account. Saintis World, everybody's account. Oh, okay. I have to take the names once again. Hi, Anam. Hi, Prerna. Hi, Sara. Hi, Vrida, Manal, June. Hi, Prachi. Hi, Kushi. Hi, Megha. Oh my God, so many Anushkins. Lots of love, guys. Hi, Sheena. What's up? Yeah, that got cancelled. How sad is that? People are going crazy buying hand sanitizers. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. Hi, Shania. Hi, Kushi. How are you? So, okay. So I'm gonna just talk to my likey people now. Hello, hi. What's up? Hi Anushka ji, hi. It's my birthday. Happy birthday, Sanket. What's your name? Sanket. Okay. Hi Sanket. Happy birthday. Love your broadcast. Thank you so much. Thank you for all the love to like. I've reached 27.8 million. I'm gonna reach 30 million. That's incredible. So thank you so much for that. And also on Instagram, we have reached 7.4. Let's reach 10 million soon. Yay! Hi Anushka, it's me, Dada Mark from Philippines. Hi, how are you? How are you doing? They're so weird. What are these films? There's some really funny filters on Facebook. Have you ever noticed? Your captions, thank you. Thank you. Your bandana girl, thanks. Thank you so much. Hey YouTube, how are you? So I'm gonna be making some YouTube content as well. Let's see what we're gonna do with that. Like what um, video or what things we're gonna make. Still have to decide, but yeah, pretty soon. Some ideas though. It's lovely. They say my name. Hi, hi, what's up? Anushka saying big fans. It's so amazing. You literally have created your own world, dude. People in millions may reach billions. Thank you so much. Anushka, I joined your live from Likey as well as. How sweet. Hi Zoya, hi. Can you say hi, Alaya? What? Alaya? What? Hi Aruth. How long are you gonna stay? I'm gonna be here pretty much. I want some TVT content. Sure, I know you sent me some of the references. I would surely make them. Hi Abir, hi Tasnia, hi Shreya, hi Ayush, hi Sonia. Thank you so much. Spending the days with the attitude. Today when I was chatting in the group, that time there are a lot of people who said that react on the fan edits. So I think I'm gonna do that very soon. So I'm gonna see all the edits and I'm gonna react to them. I suggested you some. Okay, I'm just gonna. One second. I'm gonna. Okay, I'm back. Hi guys, what's up? I'm back. Anushka, what are you? So yeah, yesterday I was watching some movies, then I was exercising, and yeah, a lot of stuff. Hi Anushka and Sanya. Can you do vlogs after boards? Yeah, but the issue is vlogs at home I can do, but yeah, I can't go outside because of the coronavirus. So won't go outside. Whatever videos I'm gonna make at home. Yeah. So now I'm just gonna talk to my likey people one sec. Okay, I'm just gonna say hi to my likey fans. Hi, what's up? Please follow back. Thank you. Okay, sure. Hi Sanket Kaspe, how are you? Hello, thank you so much for the gifts you guys are sending. Thank you. Hi Nikita, hi. Cool outfit, thank you. I'm from Bangladesh, hi. Hey, how are you? Hi, I'm fine, hi. Great broadcast, thank you so much. It's my birthday. Happy birthday. So the people who have birthdays, how are they celebrating birthdays? Hi, no, Aisha here. Hi, Aisha, how are you? Hi, Devil. Hello. आप मुझे ओके यो गुड इवनिंग Ma'am, good evening. Unlock the following privileges. There are a lot of new features on, on Likey, where they can send not only gifts but there are a lot of privileges that they can send. Please say, do you guys want to see? Okay, wait. Oh my god, hi. Oh, I'm gonna show you guys my chocolates. I love this chocolate. It's my favorite. Just love this one. It's so good. How yummy. And I have like this bunch of lollipops. Okay, so I also have one question. I have a lot of them if you want to see. See? These are all lollipop stalks. These are my favorite. These have like bubblegum inside, so I really love it. It's my favorite. So I think these kind of candies are not only for kids, right? It's for everyone. Like I'm also a kid, but I'm saying it's for every age group. But anybody can have that. It's amazing. Oh wow! Somebody sent me a night privilege. That's amazing. Hi, thank you. Love you, Anushka. Thank you. Love you guys more. Thank you. Yeah, Kushi, I can see your comments, but because I'm live on 4 different social media accounts, so that's why I was replying to likey people first, and then I was like, okay, I'll reply here also. They are surely not more sweeter than you. Thank you so much. See, all of my fans also like these. Yeah? Amazing. Okay, let's change the song. Okay, these. Hi, hello. Avoid Anushki Insta. And an Insta same username. Okay, hi, thank you. I'm your biggest fan. Thank you so much. Love your broadcast. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, back to Insta. I'm gonna celebrate my birthday with my bro for June. Huge party, double trouble. Oh, that's amazing. My Starbucks sipper. Damn, I miss Starbucks. It's not fair. I haven't had Starbucks in a month. No, not a month. I think it's been 15 days only because in between my oops. Just a sec. My phone got switched off. One of my devices got switched off. Hi Nitesh Pal. Hi Sanjay Kumar. Hello, my name is Mansi. Hi, how are you? So YouTube fam, I'm gonna make some new videos pretty soon, and I'm gonna get back to my YouTube. I don't know what happened, but my phone got switched off. I think it was super hot or something. That's why it got switched off. Damn, I don't know why it got switched off. I don't know what happened. It just my phone suddenly it was so hot. I think it just got switched off. Damn, that's so sad. I don't know what happened. It just got switched off automatically. Insta. Yeah, Insta got switched off automatically. Like not Insta, like the whole phone got switched off. Oh. Just went on reboot or something. I don't know. It was too hot, I think, to handle. I don't know. Hi gorgeous. Hi, thank you so much. Can you see my comment? Yes, I can. I just Okay, so I'm gonna play Super Lonely. I love this song. Mm. How sweet. Hi, how are you? Let me show my likey account also. Your reaction is so sweet. Wait. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hey, can you hear me? Can you hear me? I don't think you can hear me. One second. Let me add you again. I think there's some problem adding, but it's okay. I'll still try. Moonlight's in. Hi, I really like your edits. UAE blog video and audio calls. Even if you add me, we won't be able to talk. Oh, how sad is that? Anushka, there's some problem. Don't add people, I guess. Yeah, there's some problem. I think Instagram is not taking, but it's okay. I'll still try. Hi, Sanya. Stay safe. Anu. I live near border. Tomorrow the border will close because of the virus. Please take care. Hi Ayush, what's up? How are you? How's your self-isolation going on? Hey Anushka, stay safe at home because here had coronavirus. Oh, sure, I'll take care. And please, y'all also take care. Hi Kushi. Hi, there's so many people named Kushi. Hi. Hello. Yeah, Sanya, I added you, but I think it's not working out. Hi Ayush, how are you? Indian people making memes out of corona. Yeah, that's so that's not fair. Watching Netflix at home whole day. Oh my god. Sorry. Oh my god, I was looking so bad. No, you're looking so nice. Hi, Anushkins from Indonesia. I really wanted to come to Indonesia this year. Like I say that every year, but this year actually my exams were getting over, so I had plans to. But I don't think now it's gonna take some time. Why do you want to make me a diabetic? How sad. Oh, how sweet is that? Please say hi. Hi. Anushka, are you gonna join groups again? Yeah, I'm gonna join groups. So because I'm gonna be at home most of the time, obviously because of the self isolation, I'm gonna reply to groups. What? How's your mama papa? Say hi to them. Sure, Ayush, they're good. They're also we are actually enjoying at home because after a long time, I think we four are together. My mom, dad, Sindra, and me. Yeah, I remember you, Anushka, in my bay. I remember you. Hi Sahil, hi Ravisha, hi Alina. Thank you. Hey guys, what's up? So there are a lot of people who are giving me suggestions for YouTube. So if you wanna, you know, tell me about, give me ideas or something, so you guys can surely give me some ideas or whatever. Hi Riaz, what's up? How's self isolation going on? Most of the time, actually, all the time. Your band looks extremely cool. Thank you so much. Yes. Anushka, will you send me your autograph? Oh yeah. So you guys can make a group also, which whoever you like, all the people who want my autograph. That's gonna be a long list, but whatever. We can just try. You can give me some names. I think 2-3 Anushkins. You guys can DM me the names. So I'll just write autographs. I can send it to you guys. some video on YouTube. I think makeup tutorial. Yeah, I can do that. I can do something like that. Uncle is a great choice. You did forget to order the diamond ring. Yeah. I forgot because of the corona thing going on. I just forgot everything. But then yeah, I'll order that. Like for example, we had something to order from Amazon, like normal stuff. So like Cinder's food and stuff. So it has come. It's there, like behind the shoe rack. It's in quarantine for 24 hours. After 24 hours, we're gonna touch that. Before that, you're not even allowed to. It's funny also, sometimes you just can't touch the courier or whatever it's coming, even the milk that's coming from. Oh my god. How much of tension, my god. The bank credit goes to uncle, yeah. He only got, and I didn't tell him also, he just went and he got me a bunch of stuff. So he always does that, he gets me surprised, he just gives me surprises, like gets me my favorite things and orders my favorite food. He went to the mall because of work before, like not this week, I think before that, before the work from home thing started. He went to the mall and the mall was like empty, there's nobody. He was like, malls are like, it's so weird, no? Like suddenly all the places which used to be really crowded and stuff, it's just empty. It's okay. Maybe for the good, never know. Hello to uncle and auntie, they remember me? Yeah, they do. Bro, how can you manage? Thank you so much. Sharanya, you're so sweet. Are you happy or sad that your last board paper is postponed? That's a pretty confusing question because I myself don't know that I'm happy or sad. Like initially when I got the news, where my friend messaged me. So what happened, my economics paper was on 13th of March, and just one day before, like 12, on 12, one of my friends, he just messaged me that the exams have been postponed. And I was like, what, my exam has been postponed? And that was actually a joke. And I was like, don't joke like this, seriously ऐसा हो जाएगा कि our boards are postponed. And what happened the next time, that same guy only messaged that it's postponed. I'm like, why you're kidding? He was like, Arey, nahi, this time it's actually postponed. I was like, what? Yeah, it's not fair. So I was sad for like one day because I was like, I wanted the exam to just get over, just wanted to get it done with, because my friends who are in SSC and like Nidhi, Keisha, they are already done with their boards. And there's some other friends also who are science students, they are also done with it. Only my one board was left, but it's okay, it's for a good thing, no? Because that's also a gathering, so it's unsafe to go out there and give your exam for 3-4 hours. And it's just good that, so I'm happy after all, getting some time. Yeah, Devi, I hope you're also taking care. Yeah, Khushi, I'm gonna reply to group DMs because I'm gonna reply to all the groups because there's so many new Anushkins. There are a lot of new Anushkins. They were like, they were like, oh, we are new in the fandom, and it's amazing. So I was so happy. Without makeup, you look so damn pretty. Thank you so much. So yeah, that's a pretty good thing. There was this girl who was like, I think in 7th standard, she was like, oh, I'm new in the fandom and I like the fandom. So I was really happy because of that. How are you? I'm good, I'm fine. Just doing alright. Hello, hi, what's up? Sure. What? Yeah, Sakina, I can read your comments. What? New Anushkians go crazy when you reply. Yeah, it's so sweet to see the reaction, and they're very sweet, and they're like new to these stuff, and they're like whenever I check their edits and all, very happy. I'll DM you some YouTube ideas. Sure, Purvi, I would love that. This fandom is probably the best because it's yours. I'm really happy and grateful that I have you guys. No, Sanya, you're looking pretty. Sakina, I can read your comments. By the way, I want to order your bracelets. Can you tell me how to order? Yeah, you can just go to my site, just order, and now also important. All the people who have ordered their bracelets, they're gonna probably reach like the guys who have ordered initially, like when I started initially. So they're getting the orders right now, and people who have ordered now, they'll get a bit probably late because of the coronavirus that's going on. Everything is stopped, so it's a little problematic for us, but it's okay. We'll probably reach to your places pretty soon. Hi, Karan Patel. Yeah, sure, Sakina. I'll check. Yeah, sure. I'll try to check as many as DMs as possible. Sure, Purvi. Thank you, Sakina. Thank you. Can you say hi, Shiza and Tisha? Hi, Shiza. Hi, Tisha. Love your broadcast. Thank you so much. Hi, Divyanshi. Nice to meet you. Hi. You're coming to Lucknow, not for now because of the coronavirus we can't travel. So I don't think I can come to Lucknow. It was this month, so I'm obviously not coming this month, but next month let's see. Hi Christina. Hi Nishita. Hi Khalid Khan. Hello. Hi Sridhar Bhaiya. How are you? Nice to meet you. Thank you. Your show in Jhansi Ki Rani was really nice. Thank you so much. In which class you are? I'm in 12th standard and almost just one board paper left for 12th to get over. Hi Aisha. How are you? I'm your biggest fan. Thank you so much. That was a really bad joke, but it's okay. Hi Anu. Hi. Hello. Nice to meet you. Thank you so much. You remember me? Yes, I remember you. Hi. Hello. Can you say my name? Hi Akriti, how are you? Oh, that's a call.
916.
Yeah. Hello Rahul, Rawat. We need a small hair flip. Oh wait. So bad. Like oh my god, that was so bad. It's okay. Remember the group Indian Anushka? It was one of the most oldest groups, and you always joined that group. Yeah, I remember. Hi, কেমন আছো? ভালো আছি, তুমি কেমন আছো? Hi, Lina. Hey, Feza. Hi. Ma'am, believe me, I'm your biggest fan. Thank you so much. कैसे हो आप लोग? There's this call coming from a random number. Hi, Lavisha. Hi. Hey, is your area in the curfew? Yeah, but probably because there's nobody coming down. It's banned to go down. Stay safe. Yeah, even you guys, please stay safe. Looking cute. Thank you so much. Nice to meet you. Hi. Thank you so much. Take care because of coronavirus. Yeah, thank you. You guys also please take care. Stay at home, don't go out. Yeah, thank you. I was watching Tall Girl last night. Okay, yeah, that's a good movie. I also liked it. Your bottle is so cool. Thank you. Hey YouTube guys, what's up? This probably um okay. Some problem is a glitch in the YouTube live. Okay. Mm-mm-mm. Some problem in the YouTube live though. Mhm. The YouTube live is not working for some reason. Okay, you're beautiful. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Can you say hello to Rani? Hello. Okay, so YouTube live is finished. Okay. Anushka, what hashtags are you checking these days? Any hashtags? I think I've been checking the groups most of the time. So yeah, I've been checking the groups and that way. What hashtags do you guys prefer for me to check? Hey, hi, what's up? Hello, I have a plan to come to India after my exams, but I can't. Oh, how sad is that? Now traveling is gonna be a major problem, I think, for the next 3-4 months. So it's gonna be really tough. It's my birthday today. Happy birthday! मैं ठीक हूँ. आप कैसे हैं? Hi, hello, hi Anushka. Hi Sahil Misri. Hi. Love your broadcast. Thank you so much, lucky people. Thank you. Hi. Anushka saying 8, yeah, 8 8 I think. Yeah, that one I have checked. Anushka saying 8 Saw you last time in Ryan Camp in Daman. That is years back. That was like in 10. That was like 3 years back, I think. These two are main in our fandom. Okay. So I've been checking a bunch of hashtags, but I think these weekly contests I have checked, obviously. Hey Sharanya, hi. Have you watched Street Dancer 3? Yeah, I have. I guess day before yesterday I watched that movie. It was really nice. Come to Dubai when it's all over. Yeah, when this Corona thing's over, obviously I'm gonna travel. But yeah, it's gonna be a little tough to, I don't know when we can travel again. Last Bollywood movie you have watched? This one, Street Dancer. No, I think after that I also no Street Dancer I watched recently. Before that I also watched Jo Jeeta Wohi Sikandar, which is an old movie, and it is so good. My dad suggested this movie, Jo Jeeta Wohi Sikandar of Amir Khan. It was so good. What a good movie! I really loved it. What is your favorite song? A favorite Bollywood song? I really like Shayad from Love Aajkal. I also really like Tera Zikr, which is very nice. Hi, Glittery Saint. Hi. Do you prefer watching horror movies? I love horror movies. I'm gonna watch a horror movie now. I think tomorrow. Have you watched Good News? Yeah, I watched all of these movies like recently. It was so funny. My God, Akshay Kumar and was so good. Maybe once. Do you like BTS? Yeah, I listen to them sometimes. What I'm wearing right now, the bracelet you gifted me. How sweet. Thank you so much. Thank you. What is your favorite color? I think I really like gray. It's one of my most favorite color, and I really like black and red. I think, yeah, very much. I have watched Don't Breathe. It's good. It's nice. Don't Breathe is nice. I have to watch Hush. I think horror movies aren't actually scary. That's tough. I don't know what horror movie is not scary. I've watched all the the top ones, like which have like which have won actually awards for just being very very scary. Yeah, Bristol, thank you. Yeah, I've seen the Disha Patni one. Yeah, do you like hairstyles? I love hairstyles. That's not even a question. I mean, love hairstyles. Watch Hush, even that's nice. Okay, sure. Hi Rochelle, what's up? How are you? What's your favorite online shopping store? I don't know, there's so many of them. I don't really, I can't say one favorite. It's really tough. Conjuring 1, yeah, that was scary. Annabelle was not scary. I think Annabelle was fine. I'm good, dude. You tell me. Yeah, I'm fine. I'm good. I think Annabelle was not nice. How's it going? Yeah, it's going good, pretty much. Thank you, Sharanya. How sweet. What is this? There's this gem something. What is this? Oh, oh, amazing! There's this thing which you. There's this feature where you press the option and you get coins. Feels so good talking to you after so long. Yeah, it's been long, but I wanted to do it one proper day. That's why. Oh, I got a daily mission. Wow, dude, you're amazing. Thank you. What's the one thing which you can use only after you break it? Coconut. After you break coconut, then only you can use it. Bro, are you clapping at 5? Yeah, I'm clapping at 5, obviously, because everybody's gonna do that. I'm gonna do that too. Go for true scary movies. No. I never watched true story ones. So scary, but I have watched a lot of true story ones though. Nice to meet you. Hi, hello. Nice to meet you. What's your favorite place? Mumbai, I think. Rakesh sir को कहो celebrity face. Gonna come on. Yeah, it's quarantine time, so I can make some YouTube videos. Sure, I can. Tell me your birthday. It's on 4th August, my birthday. I'm gonna turn 18 this year. Hi, Sakit Kaspe. Hello, Saurabh. Thank you, Saurabh Mishra. Thank you. Hello, Madhu Pyasi. Hello. Hi, Rishabh. Hi. Hello, Vishal Chopra. Hi, Ani Roy. Oh, so it's 4:50. Hi, Nidhi. What's up? How are you? So it's 4:53. We have to go clap. Now already people are clapping. Oh God. So can you hear? I don't think you can hear, but probably let's go. So let's go. Wow, I'm carrying two devices. Couldn't carry the earphones. place. And so these people, I mean Facebook people, must be thinking why I was out. So we were clapping, standing in the colony and clapping. So in the balcony, and we wanted to appreciate the doctors who have, they're sacrificing their life, not only now because of the corona, because any disease, they're just not taking holidays, they're just in the hospital taking care of everyone. So proud of everybody, that everybody is taking initiative. So I'm gonna say bye to my Likey fam. Thank you so much, Likey fam, for 27.8 million. We're gonna reach 30 million very soon. I'm gonna be active on Likey most of the time. So yeah, bye. Wow, never been live for like 1 hour on Likey. Hi, hello. So, for all the doctors who have sacrificed their time, they are not going back to the family even in this severe condition. And even my mom is very happy that we were clapping. Everybody was clapping. My mom, my dad, they were clapping from the another room, and I was clapping from my room. It's very important, because there's so many people who are suffering from this coronavirus, and it's just so sad. I don't think, I don't think this happens usually, and this is a very different phase we are going through. But I think if we are together, then we can fight this, and we can recover. Everybody can, be safe. So I just hope you all please don't go outside, and don't meet anybody as much as possible. Just please implement social distancing. It is very necessary. So social distancing and using sanitizers, masks whenever you go out, it's very necessary. So I'm going to say bye to Facebook now. Bye Facebook.